Yes. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yes, today we are here with a revision of our Earth. On our Earth, there are landforms. You know, there are types of landforms. What is that? A natural feature of the Earth surface with a shape. They are such as mountains, hills, islands, plain, deserts, and valley. Okay, so 6 types of landforms are there. So we will see first mountains. Mountains are landforms higher than the surrounding areas. How they are? Higher than the surrounding areas. You can see over here. See, these are the mountains. They are higher. See, higher than the surrounding areas. Okay. Now next is hills. How hills are? Hills are lower than mountains but are higher than their surrounding areas. With curved on the top is called hills. Okay. How are hills? They are lower than mountains. See, mountains are higher and hills are lower. And they are surrounding with the areas. Higher than their surrounding areas. This is the surrounding area. See, they are higher than the surrounding area. Okay, and curvedly. See how it is curvedly. See here, all are curves, right? These are curves on top. They are called hills. Okay, they are called hills. Now next we will see that is island. What it is? Island. Island means what? A piece of land. What it is called? A piece of land. See here, this is called a island. What is shown? See in this picture how you can see. I'll show you properly. This is called island. Okay, a piece of land covered with water from all the sides is called island. See, a piece of land and all 4 sides there is water, so it's called island. Greenland, that is Greenland, is the world's largest island. There is a Greenland that is the world's largest island. So how the island is? A piece of land covered with water from all the sides. Okay, these are mountains, these are hills, and these are islands. Okay, so how they are? Mountains are higher from the surrounding area and hills are, yes, how are hills? Hills are lower than mountains. And how they are? They are curved. How they are? They are curved. Okay. And how is island? There is a piece of land which is covered by all over the water. Okay. Now next we will see there is plain. It's called plain. How is plain? See. This is plain. What is this? This is plain. See here. Yes. Is there any mountain? Is there any hills? No. All area is plain. Area flat of the 2 areas on the surface of the earth with grasslands. A plain is a flat expanse of land that generally does not change. Here it doesn't get any changes. Why? Because it's a plain. Yes. Why? It's a plain. Now next is desert. What is next? Next is deserts. How are deserts? See here. You can see some camels. Is there anything? Tree, plants?
No.
Yes. What is there? What is mean by deserts?
Sand.
Yes. Deserts are incredibly dry. Arid regions covered 1/3 of Earth's land. How it is? Covered with 1/3 of Earth's land. Defined by receiving less than 10 inches of rain per year. Very less rain gets over here. Okay. So that's why it's a dry area. While famous for hot, sandy or rocky landscapes. Okay. How it is? For sandy, rocky. How it is? And hot. How we will feel over there? Hot. Why? Because there is no trees, no plants, only sand. So it is a called desert. Okay.
And no water.
No water. Yes. Now next last one is our valley. What is valley? Valley, see here, this is a valley. How valley it is, see here, like V shape you can see,
River.
right? It's not river, but see here, we can see the V shape likely, right? Now valleys are low lying areas of land between hills and mountains. How it is? It is low lying areas of land between hills and mountains. They form due to two hills, see, from due to two hills or mountains. Two hills or mountains, they can be U shape or V shape. See here, you can see a V shape. It may be in a U shape or it may be in V shape, and also have a river flowing. See, in a middle there is a river flowing. Valleys are green with fertile soil and vegetation. Okay, a flat land between two raised land is called valley. So this is a valley. How it shapes? It looks like a V shape or a U shape and a river flowing over here. This is called valley. So 6 types of landforms we have seen. They are mountains,
Mountain.
hills,
Hills.
island,
Island.
plain,
Plain.
desert
Desert.
and valley.
Valley.
Okay, so these are 6 landforms. What are they? Landforms. Okay.